What's up everyone, Kyan here with heyMommio. Welcome back. If you have not subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. And today we are going to have a dirty talk. Yes, you heard it right, dirty talk. Potty training!
Get ready, embrace yourself, and let's get started.
So potty training, right? What are some of the steps? What are some of the struggles that we have to go through? Or we are going through, or you are going to go through? Well, here you are.
Okay, so point number one, pique their interest. So first step is
having to talk about it, reading about books about potty, watching videos about pottying, and this is one of my favorite, Potty, this book. Love this book. The YouTube mom did a reading for this. It's super cute. I will link at the comments below. Number two is let them watch you. So bring them with you and let them watch you. Mom, dad, older brother, sister, older siblings. Show them is always so much easier than telling them. Number three, their own potty. Let them play with it, sit on it, look at it, so they are familiar with it even before you're ready to potty train them, so they feel familiar. Last but not least, let's go shop together. Pick out their own underwear, showing them how to put it on, on top of the diapers, and telling them that big kids get to wear underwear like mommy and daddy. We don't need to wear diapers anymore. It feels comfortable. So pick out underwears together. Step two, make it fun. What do I mean by making it fun? Few things that we do would give him one of these potty books. Keep this right next to his potty, so he get to read it as he is, kind of like a reminder, right? Step by step, what they need to do. Or I let him play with his kid's tablet, so I'll let him play with that, singing songs together, finger plays, Itsy Bitsy Spider, Fingers Family. We can play games. I was trying to teach him rock, paper, scissors, but he always ended up winning. Doesn't matter what it is. Especially when you're going number two, who wants to sit there? Like when we use bathroom, we read books, we read magazines. I mean, now everybody has a cell phone. You're reading articles, looking at videos, so you can take care of business. But what about them? They can't just sit there and be bored, right? Make it fun, make it light. So that would be step number two, make it fun. And then number three would be not so much about for them, for the kids, but it's more for parents, for us, is mom and dad, listen, be patient, don't get upset at them. I learned it the hard way. I got so upset with him that he kept peeing. I got so frustrated, especially 5, 6 underwear within 1 hour. How could that be? I'm like, I am not doing laundry fast enough to give you clean underwear. And I got mad. I sent him to timeout, and that was not the right thing to do. We went through a regression when it comes to potty training. Regression. So like sleep training, like most everything else that we do with our toddlers, our babies, as soon as we are moving forward, you're like, yeah, celebrating the victory, right? Yes, they are sleeping through the whole night. The next thing you know, they are crying 4 in the morning or 1 in the morning. So same thing with potty training. When it comes to potty training, I personally didn't do the 3 days potty training that works for so many of my friends, so many moms and families. One of my friends, she did 3 days training with her boy, and it was very successful for her. So maybe take a look. But for us, we didn't do it. We didn't do it that way. It didn't work for me, but I will send a link below. Set an alarm for every 1 hour, go pee. Every 1 hour, because sometimes we forget too. As parents, we have stuff to do. Some of us work from home, or cooking, cleaning, I don't know, just relaxing, reading a book, watching a show. So we forget, right? So many things going on. So we need to set a reminder to remind us, to remind them. So those are some of the pointers that I have for you, parents. If you're thinking about potty training your kids, or if you're in the process of potty training. Just kind of like a parent's head though could be a problem too. So you can take this apart, right? And then when they are peeing, the pee-pee could go in here, which is under this cushioning part, and it took me a little bit to realize that. And here has holes. So once they finish peeing, make sure that you detach them, rinse them off, and then put it back on. Otherwise, that would be pee dripping down on your floor. I love when he used this now, only because it's just so much easier to clean, right? You can just flush the toilet and be done. So this is for the insert. And now if you are using potty similar to this, what we do is we take out some toilet paper, and then I fold it up, and put it like this. So just something simple, something quick, put it like this. So when he go boop, 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 right there, and then you can just dump it, and it will be so much easier. It doesn't smear on the bowl as much. But yeah, that's just one quick trick for you guys. So yes, that's all for now. So let me know how you guys are doing with potty training. If you have any tips and hacks for other parents, please feel free to share, comment below. Feel free to DM me on Instagram at heyMommio. Share it, like it, subscribe it, and we will see you next week. Peace.